Okay, hiya mates. This is a quick video about a loose fitting and leaky water jacket. So if you're looking for excitement and some of this, it's going to have to be very shortly, and you'll be glad to know that I'll be making a ramp shortly and jumping about, so it's going to get even funnier. But okay, back to the problem in hand. Right, I did notice when I got my two motors that one of them had a pretty loose water jacket with the rubber sealing gasket. Wasn't very good, and I cured it straight away, and I didn't think it was an issue, but I've had a couple of other people who've mentioned it as well, and I mean mine's nice and tight at the moment, but I'm going to show you the way that I remedied the problem on this loose one with some of this stuff, which is Rimmel Midnight Skinny Dip, which is the thinnest varnish that I had in my toolbox, or should I say my makeup bag. And what you're going to do is just put a quick skim on the inside underneath the rubber and let it dry, but I'm going to show you how to do it and then how to refit the rubber, because there is a little bit of trickery going on. Not much, but makes it easier for you, so hopefully this will help. Alright, so I'm going to take the rubber out and get things ready. Hang on a minute. Okay, got it all out nice and clean. You can see the residue I've got from the last time. Keeping this cool because we don't want the varnish to dry quickly. We want it to give it as much time as we can to settle and get rid of any ridges. So normally, I mean last time I did this, the brush fitted, it was a little bit thick. Don't tell my wife, but I've just adapted that a little bit now, so it'll fit in a little bit better. I'm not going to be able to do it and film it at the same time, I don't think, unless I put that there. Get that there, maybe. I mean, I haven't got the best of light to work in at the moment, but it's just a case of, if you can see that, I don't know, better. Getting it in a groove, yeah. I'm just getting a load in, yeah, and then I don't know if you can see that, just, I can't do it, smoothing it out as you go. Okay, it's still very, I've only just finished it now. It took me 6 loaded brushes full of gunko. That's a bit, yeah, a little bit heavy, about 6 of them all the way around. And as you can see, I'm just turning this. The simple reason is it's just going to get rid of it. If I keep going while it's cool, it just gives everything time to settle. So I would be holding that in my hand and just turning it for a few minutes, and then put some heat on it. Okay, it's all dried up. I got a bit of acetone on a rag, on a bit of give it one on the outside and a quick light one on the inside, and yeah, looks a lot cleaner on there as a finish. The only tricky bit left is putting the rubbers in without pulling them or distorting them too much, and the way that I found best to do them is just get it locked in at the bottom, yeah, and then what you just want to do is get the gap as equal as you can either side. Here and here, the flaps, I suppose you want to call them. Not bad. And then again, try and keep the gaps about the same. Yeah, 9 o'clock. Yeah. And then just push those bits in, chase them in. Otherwise you get a right pull on the ring. Alright, so once that's in, just give it a flingy dingy with the finger. That should be nice, huh? Okay, lovely stuff, jobs are good, and that should be super tight, that. I'll put some, yeah, it's very tight that now, so I'll leave that, get something on it to help it slip on. Okay, fun and games. Let's give it a test. I've got a syringe, bit of water in it, bit of a pipe. Something's going to pop off. Quite a lot of pressure in that. Which way is it? Quite in that way. So yeah, no drippage. Job's a good one. Alright, rock and rollers, have a lovely evening and all the very best from Manchester. Okay, I hope to be out on the pond very soon and getting out all the grins going. Take care, brothers. All the very best. Toodaloo, toodaloo.